Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. My friends, our clients, Tebtalks friends, how are you? I hope everything is fine. In the US, guys, I hope right now you're going to sleep. I want to wish you a good night. In Uganda, my friends, it's morning. How was your night? I hope everything is fine. And I want to wish you a good day. So, I hope everything is doing on well. Time is going, and to our students, I know right now you're in the holiday. I hope you're utilizing this time, guys, by reading books, by trying to revise and reminding yourself, so that by the time you go back to school, you have something you've done. This is a very critical time, very important time that you can sit down and memorize most of the things you've learned, so that you also concentrate and choose something you can specialize on. So in whatever level you're in, you can always specialize and say, based on what I know, based on what I like, if I follow this path, I can achieve my goal. So this is the right time. When you're in the holiday, this is the best time to do that. And this is also the right time to interact with other members in the community, those whom you admire. You can approach them and ask them how they made it. Ask them how they achieved what they have, how they succeeded in education, and how they succeeded in the business they are doing, in their respective positions they have. Talk to them, let them guide you. I know you can also make it. You can even be better than them as long as you work hard. This is the time you are supposed to make research about what's going on, about the new development, about the changes and the upcoming technologies, the current technologies, and how they can impact your education. Yeah, this is the right time, and I encourage you not to waste time. I encourage you not to, to be misled. You have to keep focused. You have to make sure that you don't waste any single second of yours. If time you have should be planned well. I know sometimes you may not get enough resources, or maybe you may not find where to find the right resources, but remember that there are always people available to guide you, like the way we do, like what we do at Tebtalks. We're always available to guide you on which path to follow. If you want to make research, we always tell you, please, there are very many areas you can do perfect research, can get perfect information and resources. When you go to internet, I know right now the young generation, you are now all versed, well versed with internet. All of you have access to devices, mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and when you get access to internet, internet's an ocean of things. It has a lot of stuff, but now it's up to you to choose out of that. We call that data mining. When you go in the ocean, what do you get? In that ocean of things, which is the internet, what do you get? So it's very important as a student to realize that Not everything you find on the internet is useful. You need to focus on what will benefit you. You need to focus on what will give you grade. You need to focus on what will make you succeed in your goals. I always tell you that whenever you go to whenever you open any browser and look for search engine, like you go to Google and you start searching, because many of you are familiar with Google. Of course, we have other search engine you can use, but if you're familiar with Google, I encourage you to keep using Google search engine. But the moment you open Google and you want to search, as a student, I would encourage you that you start searching for a website which will give you what you want, which will make your day a different day in life. Look for websites like Khan Academy, Skillshare, Udemy, Coursera. Those are the websites you can search for. Find out what is happening at Tebtalks.com. Every day we upload videos. Every day we upload videos on Tebtalks. These videos, they have a message. These videos have contents which can guide you achieve your goals. By the way, for your information, well, at Tebtalks we have a tool which is called short videos. How does this work? This works to any person who want to record and upload videos, and these are short videos, just the way I know most of you have used TikTok. So our short videos, or our short tool on Tebtalks, to work similar to the one of TikTok. You go and record a video of say 2-3 minutes and then upload it. But this video must be in line with education, in line with business, in line something which is really beneficial. We don't allow funny videos. Even if you make it and upload it, our system is so sensitive that when it realizes the video uploaded is against our policies, it will be deleted automatically. So I encourage you that you go and start uploading videos, start checking the Tebtalks shorts and see the videos which are available, the short videos, and you can also upload yours. You don't have to be a teacher, you don't have to be of any profession. Even students, you can do so. If you have some knowledge, if you're good in some numbers, maybe you can solve certain numbers in mathematics, or you can answer certain questions in any subject. You can make a video about what you know, upload it so that your fellow students can follow you and they subscribe to your channel. They can learn from what you have. Yeah, of course, as students, we have Tebtalks is a community of students and teachers and other people. So as a community of students, you can share from each other. So I encourage you that you also think of recording short videos. And by the way, if you're using a mobile phone, you just go to Tebtalks, go to like create a short video, then you can record it automatically from our website and upload. You don't have to record with maybe a camera somewhere and then you can do that directly from our website. It is very possible. Yeah. And if you have a video that maybe you made using your mobile phone, you can as well record it. Upload it. Regardless of the size, you can still upload it to your channel and the people will watch. And in case of any feedback, you get the feedback in your inbox. People will message you. Tebtalks, I said, it is a good platform because it has that messaging part of it, where people can send their private messages to each other. And even if you have comment, people can comment, but that is public. Get comment and also reply. Yeah, then you can also like import videos, like if you maybe use Vimeo or use YouTube and you have videos on YouTube you think you want to share with others, you can import those videos to your channel. It's very possible. And by the way, the good news that we put in a lot of features on our Tebtalks website. Right now, our website can work with other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Of course, if you have videos on TikTok, you can still import them and use them on your channel on Tebtalks. If you have videos on Facebook, you have videos on Instagram, you have videos on YouTube, all those videos can be imported to your channel on Tebtalks. So this is something so good, this is something so interesting that you can promote your dashboard, you can promote your channel, you can promote your subdomain within Tebtalks, so that you can bring a very good number of engagement. So as students, I would encourage you that you build this relationship with other students. If you are doing mathematics, try to look into Tebtalks, those groups or students who are making mathematics video. Try to connect by subscribing and sending a message so that you can start interacting. They can guide you. Then even the teachers, we have teachers over there, many teachers, they can also guide you. So as you go on with this holiday, this is something you have to think of. Tebtalks is available. It's fast. It's very fast. A very fast system, and it's available 24/7. Whether night or day, you'll find it. People are always there active to support you. And you don't find trash, you don't find funny videos. No. For us, we make only contents which will make your future the best. Yeah, we recommend you that you have to share the knowledge you have with others. That is what is needed. If you want to make our world better, we have to share the knowledge we have. You have to share. So at Tebtalks, everything is available. After creating an account, then you can do whatever thing you want. And I must assure you that what you want is what you get. Yeah. So guys, I just want to wish you well. I want to wish you a nice holidays. Enjoy, but enjoy respectively. Take some time, like 10 to 30 minutes. Think about the books. If you see getting the books is a bit tiresome, or get your mobile device, go online, search for this key website like tebtalks.com, Khan Academy, Udemy, Code Academy, Skillshare, Brainly. So all these websites are so much important that they will take your time. But when you go to, of course, I don't want to be biased, but some apps, different webs and websites which will take your data, which will take your time and your data, but at the end of the day, they will not help you as a student. As a student, you need to look for an app which is educative, not an app to make you laugh. You can laugh once in a while when it's time for entertainment. You can utilize that and visit those applications, those social media that makes you laugh. But when it's time for business, then you need to know where to go. You need to know where to go. We are always available to support you guys, and I must say that I am very sure you will succeed, because the environment we are in now is not the same as for a long time ago, because a long time ago it was very hard to find the resources. I remember when we were in senior 3, senior 4, you could get a number and fail to get answers. You take the whole week looking for answers, but you cannot get. Even you approach a teacher, ask the teacher, how can I solve this? How can I do this? Even the teacher himself doesn't know. And that was a hard time. It was so stressing that you know that maybe this number will come in exam, but even you can't get the answers. So right now things are easy. There's no question you can't get an answer for right now, because education has gone digital. Education right now, teachers are no longer the local teachers, are no longer the teachers of one classroom, but they are global teachers. A teacher in the US can teach in Africa, can teach in Asia, can teach in any part of the world. Teacher of Africa can teach in US, can teach anywhere. So we now have global teachers, not local teachers. And these global teachers are on platforms like Tebtalks. So now at this time you cannot fail to get answers. Answers are available. They are available. You just have to learn how to use these devices, and also understand and find out where to get best knowledge. Yeah, that's good. And when you get these answers, don't sit down and evaluate the answers. Check and see, are they the right answers you need? And after getting the knowledge, don't sit with it. You can share with others, guys. For example, you've got how to solve a quadratic equation. Then tomorrow when you come back to Tebtalks, you find that there's a student who is asking, how can I solve the quadratic equation? How can I solve this equation? How can I do this? How can I do this? So don't just sit with the knowledge you've got, but share with others. Share with others. That's how we shall have a world which is improved. That's how we shall have a world whereby life is easier. We shall get tools that will help us solve problems when we have people who have knowledge and who have skills. Yeah. To the business people, the good news is that Tebtalks can help you. How can it help you? Of course, we already have instructional videos about entrepreneurship, about business, and then apart from that, when you go and create an account, you can easily promote your business. Yeah, you can promote, and you can reach a wide range of people. You can collaborate with our community. We have a community of people from different backgrounds, different parts of the world, so you can collaborate and share with them and ask them how you can do market research on our website. It's very easy, man. It's very easy. To the parents, especially parents, if you know you have a child who is in school, I encourage you to open an account with Tebtalks so that you get to know what's going on. Sometimes your kid may not be aware of Tebtalks or may not be aware of the value in Tebtalks, but for you as a parent, when you join and get to know what's there, the kind of teachers we have, the content we have, then you can encourage your child. Or you can also even open an account you as yourself and then set your children to start learning using your account. Yeah. So it is a platform. Tebtalks is a platform for everyone who want to grow in whatever industry, as long as it is business-wise or education-wise. It is an environment, it's a platform for everyone. The good thing is that it is free of charge. What we only ask is that you have to buy data on your own. Don't give data, don't give internet bundles, but you have to buy. You have to buy and load on your mobile phone. The rest, our contents are free. No one will charge you money. Our content, our video lessons, they are free of charge. When you open an account, you don't pay money to subscribe. It is free of charge. You have to open an account after you start using freely. And by the way, you can find us on the other platform like YouTube. We have a channel, and you can still find our videos on YouTube. When you go and look for Tebtalks on YouTube, you'll get us. Yeah. Even Facebook, we have a page. But mostly, if you want to learn, I don't encourage you to go and learn from Facebook. I encourage you to go direct to our channel on YouTube or go to our website directly to tebtalks.com. When you reach there everything is organized. Like our data, our resources are organized into tabs. Like we have the tab of technology, we have tabs for education, we have tabs of business, tabs of innovation, talent show, speakers. Like we have videos related to refugees. So now you can look on where you want, go to where you want. If you're a student, go to education. If you are a person who wants to know about technology, go to technology. You'll find all what you need to start with as you run ICT. Yeah. With our platform, it has a lot of tools. Like you can share videos with other people on your media. You can Tebtalks is capable of like allowing you to share your videos, your contents, your comments and articles with other people on other social medias like Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. And then apart from that, as I said, you can send messages to different people. And then the other thing you can do is that if you realize maybe you have some friends and they are not really a good friend for you, because not everyone who uses our platform is perfect. Some of our members, some of our clients, they come to see how the platform is working, and if you see someone is disturbing and is your friend, then you can block. By the way, we have that too. You can block them. You can also report. When you report, send the report within within just a short period of time, like 1 hour. We shall see how to handle that. Just send the report and say, hey, this person is against me in this way, No. And then we have analytics. Analytics is a tool, Tebtalks, which shows you how you are doing, how you are performing in whatever account you are doing. You can use the analytics to see the performance, how everything is going, the kind of followers you have, the kind of friends you have, where they come from, what they are they interested in. You can use that. Advertisement, you can also advertise. If you're a business person, you can advertise on Tebtalks. We have that program. The movie creators, those who are in entertainment, we have a part where you can upload movies, real movies. Even if it is a movie of how many hours, you can still upload it, and people will get you. You can write articles. These articles, they are in form of like lesson. I mean, like, articles like notes. As a teacher, you can write articles, posts on your dashboard, on your channel. You can make video notes so that people can get to you. You build your platform with all kind of multimedia data. That's images, videos, text, animation, and graphics. All that is supported. All that one is supported at Tebtalks.com. The other thing you can do with Tebtalks, guys, is that you can set maybe donation if you want people to donate to your cause. I can also set that one. It's available. And we have other features that you can work on. You can check about the analog activities, different activities that are being done in your history, and you can also configure like your profile. Can put profile pictures, change password, put your biography, can put your social media so people can reach you. All that is available. You can embed also your videos, like can create an iframe and embed your video to other platforms. And the other thing is that apart from embedding, you can write code. Like when you go to the article, you can write the source code. Source code, this is something to do with programming. So you can do the programming part of it, like writing the code. Could be HTML, or that's hypertext markup language. Could be CSS, could be PHP, could be Java or Python or any language. So you can write a source code which will be translated into real text for your end user clients to understand. So now you can see that most of the things are covered, most of the stuffs are covered, and but you can also use our API to when you want to develop your own application. You can use Tebtalks API, and we have a lot of things that you really need to grow in whatever thing you're doing. Those who have business of entertainment, musicians, my brothers like Joel, Mugisha, Daniel, Peter, Mahang, Donald, I respect your talents. I respect what you're doing. Did you think or how Tebtalks can help you guys? Try. I'm sure everything you need is available, and you will tell me after. You will tell me after, guys, but everything is available for you. So we are trying our best to see that we bring for you a dashboard which has a whiteboard inside Tebtalks, like for teachers, so that when you're teaching you can start, because right now we have a part where you can go live. We have a live stream in Tebtalks. You can go live, so we very soon we shall bring an environment whereby you can start writing. You can have a virtual whiteboard, interactive whiteboard, so that you can illustrate, especially when you are live, to your students, to your clients, and then you can easily get the message. We're working on that, and it will be available soon. Otherwise, everything is okay. Each and everything you need is fine. Just encourage you to go and try. Don't waste time. The more time you waste, the more opportunities you are losing. In case you have any question, feel free to reach at us and contact us, and we can support you. Send us a message in our contact form on our website, or you can email us direct to Tebtalks, info@tebtalks.com. We shall get your message and we shall support you. Remember, we are also offering like in-demand computer training. So if you need skills in specific field, like the basic, we teach you how to use a computer from scratch, and we go ahead and teach you how to use Microsoft Office packages, that is Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint and the presentation. PowerPoint and the publisher. And then we also show you how to use Microsoft Online, that's OneDrive with all the related apps. And then we also show you how to use Google Apps, by first creating a Gmail. We teach you how to create an email and configure it, and then all the other apps related to the Gmail. And we also show you how to use internet in different areas, and we'll go ahead and also teach you how to do programming, guys. How to program. You have to start programming. You need to write code and start coming with apps, website, learn different languages, Python, SQL, PHP, jQueries, all those languages. We can support you. We can support you because we have people, we have experts, we have people who are good, who are expert, who are professional. They hold bachelors in IT, computer science, and different areas. Yeah. So if you want to learn how to use computer, this is the right time, this is the chance you have. Come to us, reach us, we can teach you. Don't mind about the distance where you are. Maybe you may say, now, me, I'm in Africa, and how can I learn computer when these guys are far away? Or me, I'm in the US and the teacher is not. No, we are, as I said, we are now a global, we are a virtual environment whereby the world is just digital. The world is now like it's just a village. We can teach you via Tebtalks website, or we can use other program like Zoom, like Google, Microsoft Meet. All those can be done, and we can really give you the skill that you need. So don't miss this chance. Computer training is in progress. We're training computer, guys. Anything you need, it is high time you wake up and learn. Even if it is 1 hour, what you learn is going to help you. We shall help you configure your system. Right now, you may be there and you feel you are so good, you are confident, but by the time they hack you and they get everything out of your mobile phone, That's when you cry. But when you join Tebtalks, we can teach you about data security, how you can secure your information, how you can secure your devices. You are there struggling, you have an NGO you're learning, you have a non-profit you're learning, you even don't know how to come up with this, write a letter, how to compose a budget, or project proposal, a memorandum of understanding, or work plan, or whatever kind of document you want to come up, you want to draft. So when can you come and we teach you how to use Microsoft Word, Excel, then show you how you can make all these documents. First of all, we shall teach you how to use the tool, that's the software. Then the second thing is that we already have videos, like especially in our entrepreneurship department, which shows you how to come up with all these documents. You're in a business, you want to learn how to do the purchase order, how to make reports, how to come up with a trial balance, how to balance books. We have those videos. At the same time, we also have the videos that shows you how you can use the software to come up with these documents. So it's up to you, but I must say that just try once and see how you benefit. Once you benefit, I know you keep learning, but everything is available. Everything is available, guys, and we are available for you. Where we can't help you, we can recommend you, we can refer you to other platforms which we know can support you. We have many platforms we have access to, regardless of your level, regardless of whatever you want. We have all these platforms that we work with. We partner with them and they can support you. Like there are many different fields, different areas. There are many. And my dear brothers and sisters, the teachers, you know, when you're a teacher, teachers are the best people we have in this world, because they are the one that set the background. They are the one that prepares each and everything that we have. All the kind of people we have in this world. The doctors, the engineers, every kind of profession you'll see right now, they pass through the hands of the teachers. But time reaches when these teachers get tired and they retire. When they retire, no one will know that this one was a teacher, this one taught this minister, this one taught this engineer. So we are giving this chance to teachers that even though you've retired, and by the way, this is something you have to take note. As a teacher, whatever kind of knowledge you have, whatever kind of wisdom, whatever kind of mathematics is in your head, when you come and make the knowledge you have into a recording, record videos, these instructional videos with Tebtalks. The video you make can last for 100 years, can last for 1,000 years. We shall have generations and generations learn from you. But when you sit back and be selfish and say, no, me, I cannot share with my knowledge, I have my mathematics, I cannot share with it. Well, it will be forgotten. It will be forgotten anytime soon. Remember, even you, to be a teacher, it's because you went to school. When you went to school, you found the books in the library. You found other teachers that used the books that were written by other people like you. So what are you doing? If you can't make video, write a book. Write a book about what you know and leave it somewhere. So that by the time you are nowhere on this earth, people will read your book. People will read what you wrote and they will pick a message. They will pick They will say this book was written by so and so. But we have many teachers, those who are actively teaching right now, those who are retired, and those who are practicing. And this is a good opportunity, especially if you are not working right now. You can use and come and start volunteering with Tebtalks, and we can see how we can facilitate you in one way or the other, especially facilitate your time and start creating this. You can do internship. You start practicing and trying to see how your skills can really work. If you are retired, you can now say, for the rest of my time, I'm going to give it to Tebtalks. Then you make for us some good videos. These videos, now imagine like, you've taught thousands and thousands of students, but sometimes these students, when they grow up and they become big people, they reach to a certain level, they even don't remember you. But when you make these videos and they are there on this nice platform like Tebtalks, any person will say, this is my teacher. This teacher is the one who made me like this, like this. Your children will be proud to see that the video you make right now is being followed by 5 million people in 1 year from now. Your children will be proud to see that you have impacted the lives of millions of people. You have uplifted the lives of millions. You have changed the generation. Your children will be proud to see that you become a very powerful person. A teacher, teacher profession should not be underlooked. It can only be underlooked depending on how you are determined, depending on how you make it. But if you decide to use it properly, decide to come and join nice professions, nice platforms like Tebtalks, your profession will look nice, it will be respected. But if you think that you want to be selfish, you want only to go in class because they have paid you, if they have not paid you, go on strike and sit home, you are mistaken, my friend. You are mistaken. That's not the right way to do it. Yeah, your knowledge have to be shared, and have to be shared by many people, not only people in your locality, but people in different parts of the world. They have to know they have to learn from what you know. That's when we shall have come up with the better world. Remember, the challenges we are facing right now, or the challenge we are going to face in the future, are going to be global challenges. Like recently, we had the challenge of COVID-19. When COVID came, it did not look at the color, look at the country, or the race, or the tribe. No, it was sweeping across all the mankind. And different scientists, different doctors from all over the world were all busy day and night trying to come up with the vaccines, trying to come up with the ways on how they can save the lives of people. So that's what we are talking about. Right now, the challenges we are facing ahead are no longer going to be the challenge of one village, and no longer going to be the challenge of one community, but they are going to be global challenges. Now, when you are a teacher and you have this knowledge, you have to teach the whole world. You have to teach globally, because the challenge we face are global challenges that we have to start preparing right now for. That's why we encourage you that you have to wake up, use your skill, use your knowledge, come and share with people, let people learn, and then from there we shall know that even if challenge come, we shall see how we can overcome them. So I think for now we're going to stop here, guys. If you have any question as far as this presentation is concerned that I've just made, you can leave your comment in the box below, and we can always reply on it. And you can also send us a message. You can send, if you think there's what you think can be included in Tebtalks, you're free to give us your recommendation. If there's a way you can support Tebtalks, you are free to contact us. But the Tebtalks is a platform for you, for people like you, and you are part of Tebtalks. As I said from the beginning, Tebtalks means Tebi is technology, education, and business. Then we rely on these three pillars. Like right now, the world is going digital. Very soon, everything will now be used by technology. Like now, with the introduction of the artificial intelligence (AI), you can see how everything is changing. So we believe that education tomorrow, business tomorrow, will no longer be the traditional one that we used to think of, but instead it is shifting technology. That's why we believe that through technology we can empower education, we can empower business, we can do whatever things we can do in business, in education, and everyone is a learner, everyone is a student. This way, regardless of your age, regardless of your category, everyone is a student. That's why everyone have to learn. That's why everyone has to learn. So technology is the best for you, for whatever thing. If I'm to ask you right now, is there anyone who doesn't use a mobile phone? No. Did you know that a mobile phone is one of the generation of computers? So if it is so, do you know everything in your phone? Do you know that you're carrying a computer in your hand? Do you know that the challenges you're having, the solution are in your hands? Some of you doesn't know. So that's why we're saying that you have to learn. You don't have to put on uniform and go in class and go and sit in class and say, I'm in senior one, I'm in high school, I'm in college. No. You have to learn at whatever field, at whatever level you are, whatever age you are. We are all learners. We all learn from each other every day as the world moves on. So Tebtalks is what it stands for. Our motto says knowledge mining. Knowledge mining. Where do we mine the knowledge? Of course, from the people. Because we know people expires. People are passing. People come and they go. Right now we are available, but we have thousands people who have left us, who are so wise than us. We are seated on the world, we are seated on the system. We are using the system that were set by people who came before us. Why? We are learning things that were done by people who left us. We are lucky that by the time they went, by the time they were still alive, they put some of their knowledge into records. Like they recorded their knowledge in the books. They recorded their knowledge in different devices. They made videos. They taught people. So that's why you see we are able to do what we can do right now. So now, if we don't do the same, that's why at Tebtalks we believe that we can mine the knowledge. We don't only believe that in mining gold, diamond, copper, all that kind of that. we also believe that you can also do knowledge mining. People get the knowledge, create a hub. After creating a hub, make sure that it's enough to contain all the knowledge that you mine every day, so that in the future, people will come and pick from this hub. People will find, a pack of knowledge, a hub, an ocean of knowledge together, so that someone just enter and pick what he want and learn. Slowly, we want, in years to come, we want to have billions of videos from experts, from people, so that these videos will teach many people. That's why our motto says knowledge mining at the technology, education, and business platform. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for those who have taken their time to follow me and to listen to what I've been communicating. Even those who have no good time right now in the US, I know you are sleeping, and those who are not sleeping right now, you are at work. Those who do night shift, you are at work. But in other parts of the world, in Europe, or European countries, right now I think it is morning hours. I know guys, you can right now watch, and you've been following me in Uganda, you've been following me, and our other parts of Africa, you are right now following what I'm doing and what I'm presenting. So don't just follow, just support me as me, for share this so that others can get the information. Just share, like, comment, as simple as that. By doing so, you will have done a lot of great thing to me and to Tebtalks and to my brothers and sisters. So thank you. Let's catch up again. And I've been making videos on Excel. Almost most of the part of Excel I've covered them. I'm just left with some good numbers of functions, formulas and functions, which I'm still doing. So if you have challenge in Excel, you can go and watch some of my videos. If you have any kind of specific, you can reach out to me and I can show you how to do that. I also have videos on Microsoft Word and also some basics. Very soon I will start making videos on how to build a website, how to do video editing and other graphics. And we are also I think I have other guys who will be making videos in different parts, like server management, configuring different servers, Windows servers, and working with different operating systems, networking, computer repair and maintenance. We are going to give you a lot of things, but right now, so far, we have something we can present to you. So I encourage you to go and watch the videos already available on our YouTube channel, and also you can also check on our website, Tebtalks.com. You'll get all those video tutorials. And For students, guys, we have videos, especially senior 5, senior 6. We have videos in mathematics, chemistry, biology, physics, entrepreneurship, geography, economics, and divinity. We have those videos. Senior 5, senior 6, and senior 4, we have those videos. And remember, these are videos from good teachers. Imagine teachers from Mandela SS, teachers from St. Andrea, teachers from Daystar Central, from Mango SS. No, these are teachers who have experience, who have taught people who are already in different professions. So those videos, they should not just be there unattended for. Those videos took us time. They costed us a lot of things, but we made them so they can help you. So why can't you utilize this chance? Go and, instead of getting a lot of money that you want to go and study in Hoima, maybe you're in Changwari, you want to go in Hoima, you want to go to Kampala. So what are you going to look for? The kind of a teacher you are following there is already with you, in your hand. Get a tablet. Tell your parents to get for you a tablet. If you don't know the kind of a tablet you need, you can reach to us and we can recommend you which device you need so that you can get all our resources easily. And by the way, we can even give you some of these videos offline if you need. We have them. We can support you, especially students. We can give these videos offline. We can put them on the DVD or external hard disk, and then we can give them to you and you learn. Yeah. So you have to utilize these resources that we have. The video lessons we have in these subjects have to be utilized so that as you enjoy your holiday, you need to know how to utilize these resources. You need to know how to really make sure that you get answers to your questions. And very soon we are coming up with a platform under Tebtalks, which is going to be handling question and answer. Like, it will have all the past papers for previous exams, and it will also have questions with their solutions. And on the same platform, we shall allow students to ask questions and get answers. Like, we are developing our own artificial intelligence using the API from the current AI tools. Some of the questions you just ask and you get answers automatic. So we are building that. We are building that just to integrate inside our system. So everything will be okay. Everything will be fine for our dear students. You're gonna enjoy. What we just request you is to register, because when you don't register, right now it is free. Time will reach whereby we shall ask you for a fee to register. But when you register now, we shall never ask you. You will be a permanent member. But if you don't register now, don't register the coming year, the other year, after some good number of years, we may say, no. Now, those who are just coming, you have to pay this fee for you to access our services. So I will encourage you that you register now so that you become a permanent member and have access to our resources anytime, free of charge. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. We love you guys. We thank you. We love you. We love you guys. Everything is fine. And I wanna wish you well. Let's catch up with you in the next presentation to come. Thank you.